Contract management is a critical component of my job. Sifting through piles of paper, trying to find specific contracts, updating them while ensuring compliance with regulations, all while being afraid of missing details, opportunities, and legal disputes has significantly reduced my productivity these days.
I'm pretty sure our product team, which is handling the document management suites, right, they will have a solution to this problem. So let's meet our team of data scientists who are working on the document management side. Well, thank you Ashwati and Priyanka for joining us today, taking out time out of your tight schedules. I know you work on tight schedules mostly. Thank you for coming here and willing to talk to us today and let us know more about what you're working on. So let me set up some context here. Basically, I recently had an issue. So that is the sole reason that we are making this fireside chat video.
So what is exactly the problem? Exactly the issue is?
So the issue that I'm facing, Ashwati, right now is a lot of contracts are piling up in my desk right now. I have to read through it, process it. You know the whole process, right? How it works. So can you let me know if we have some solution like that?
Yeah, sure. We are having a solution for this. Basically, we are having a contract administration tool, which is for the contracts.
Okay.
That is, you'll be provided with a shared folder. You put all your files, which is piled up in that folder, and it will be processed, and the relevant information will be extracted, and you'll be getting all the information which is relevant to you to your database or wherever you want as a dashboard.
Cool. That's a very appealing solution that you've given me. In fact, if I tell you, that's a lot more than what I expected. Right?
This
it not
the
only
thing which the product can do. It is much more than that. We have a data management system itself. So we have C-Docz in our hand. That is, it can process any type of documents. You just have to input the document to the folder, then it will start processing and will give the data which is extracted, which is relevant to you.
When you say any kind of document, so you mean it can process any other documents other than contracts and any other kind of document?
Any other documents which is invoices, policies, etc. We are having an example, that is, we have a client, MNC client, who is having invoices piled up. That is, what they are doing is like it is having vendor name and the amount which they have to pay, and what they are doing is they just give these documents to the BPO team. What they do is they enter these documents to the database, and they do like to that vendor how much should be paid. So as it is manually entered, errors can occur.
Right.
So they had a loss of 3 crore, around 3 crore previous year. So that's why.
So you help them solve that problem.
Yeah.
It's good for you. Congratulations for that.
They approached us, and we have a C-Docz product with us. So it can handle any type of document. So invoices actually has the capacity to do that. So we just have all the invoices in the folder, and then C-Docz start processing and gets all the data extracted. So it is much better than human performance.
Right. That's definitely given. So I'll probably be using it in future.
Yeah, sure.
Let's say. So I know that product teams here are constantly updating the products, and then you are constantly developing. I'm pretty sure you are working on that right now itself.
We are in the development stage.
Right.
Explain more.
Right. So if you're working on the C-Docz itself, right? So what is the current development? What is the future plans of C-Docz?
I can explain that part with an example. So here we have an invoice. So what the current system does is it will pinpoint the relevant information from this invoice. For example, the invoice number, the date, the amount, stuff like that. But there are also other relevant information in this document that the user can extract.
Right.
So in the current development, we are introducing a cognitive understanding of documents, which means that the user will be able to extract any kind of information from this document.
Okay, so what you're saying is right now C-Docz only extracts the desired information for the user, and there are other information present which will also be extracted from the document. But how will that work? You said you're building cognitive engine for that, right? let's say I'm a claims handler, right? Okay, and I have a lot of policy documents. Let's say I want to extract some information about a person whose document is there. Let's say Ashwant, for example. I'll take if I give the name of Ashwant, I'll input it somewhere, and then I want to extract information about when his policy is expiring, what is his birth date. Can I do that?
Yes, it's possible.
So how does the C-Docz work? Do you have, if I'm not wrong, if this kind of system, does this have a chatbot or how will it work?
Yes, it mainly works like a chatbot. So as per now, it can cater to BFSI domain, but it can also be used for a wide range of applications. For example, consider a factory. So there will be a lot of machines in a factory, and each machine will have a user manual associated with it. For a new worker, it will be, as you know, user manuals might contain lots of pages, and it can be quite difficult to manually go through each and every page. So for a new worker, suppose he wants to know a certain part working of a particular machine, it will be easier if he can just type in his query, and it will automatically give the pinpoint to that particular part of the user manual, and then get the answer. So any application that requires document processing, C-Docz can be used.
Okay, so you're saying that it can be used across industries, not only BFSI that previously we were catering to. Great to know. So congratulations on your work. Hope this works out well and you'll be able to update a lot more to this C-Docz. So Ashwati and Priyanka, thank you again for joining us today and helping us find this solution. In fact, we got more than a solution that we expected for. So thank you very much for joining in this fireside chat video. So that's it for today's fireside chat video. I'm sure this product of ours, which our product team has been building, will help a lot of people like me in this industry and a lot of other industries who mainly deal with document processing kind of things in our day-to-day work schedule. So that's it for today. We'll see you in the next fireside chat video. And for this fireside chat video's product, if you want to check out our products, that's C-Docz, you can visit our company website, that is www.techvantagesystems.com, under the product domain, that is C-Docz.